How to fix Instagram threads not available in your country. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can fix this problem and why do you have it. So keep on watching. So first of all, we will have to make sure that this is our problem with threads. To fix this kind of problems, first of all, we will try to follow an easy step that will help the majority of you. So make sure to follow this step even if you find it really simple. So we will have to go to our Google Play or App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If you have an update button right here instead of the open one, you just have to click on it and update your Instagram app. This is very important. And now, second, we will have to go to our Instagram app, click on the search icon and search for Threads app. You will have to click on this profile right here. Then click on their story, click on join us, visit the link, and as you can see we still have this problem. So now let's fix it. So first of all, I want you to know that this app will be available in your country maybe in a few hours or in a few days. I am from Europe and it's still not available in my country, but if you don't want to wait until they make it available in your country, I will show you a trick to get this app right now. So you can either go to your App Store or Play Store and search for an APK installer, which will let you download that app, will make it available for you even if it's not available in your country. Or if you want to play it safe, you can go to your phone settings, scroll down, click on apps, search for Instagram, then click on storage, and from here you can clear your data and your cache from the bottom of the screen. And now the next step is going to our Instagram app once again. Go to your profile, click on those three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings and privacy, the first option. Now scroll down until you find help. Click on that, then click on report a problem, then click on report problem without shaking, click on don't include, and now we have to briefly explain what happened and what is not working for us. And we will say like this: hello Instagram team, the Instagram Threads app is not available for me. Please solve this problem. You can add a screenshot with your problem, so you can go to your app store and make a screenshot with that error, and you can send it to them and it will get you the Instagram Threads app once they see your message. If they don't reply to you, you can write me in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to your questions and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.